Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a web form. Now, a web form allows you to collect information from your visitors. So some examples would be a survey, a contact us form, or an RSVP form. So let's begin. In this video, I'm going to create a contact us form for my cupcake company. So after you've logged into the editor, choose Add Page and create a web form. And here, this is what your visitors will see in the menu, and create that. To create the form, hover over the content area and choose Edit. And the first thing I'm going to do is click on this and change that so it says Contact Us. Oopsies. So now we can go ahead and add some fields, and I'm going to create a name field first, just so my visitors can tell me who they are. So I'm going to choose the input field, and to customize it, I just click on it once, and over here you'll see all these settings that you can customize. Click on the gray area and change that so it says name now. And I'm going to briefly go over what these settings mean. So the default value is basically what your visitors will see before they fill in that field. So for example, right now I don't have a default value, so it's blank, but if I wanted to put one in, first and last, they would see that right here, and they would have to change that to their own name later on. So you can also add a hint, and a hint is basically like a little reminder that pops up in a gray box every time your visitor's cursor hovers over that field. And I'm going to create that later on in this video for another field. And you can also choose to make this required or not, and I'm just going to make it required just to show you. So what happens when you choose to make this field required is that we mark it with a red star. And also, we won't allow your visitors to submit the form while leaving that field blank. So something that you should be careful with is if you chose to put in a default value, your visitor will still be able to submit the form because it's no longer blank since there's a value in it already. So you might want to be conscious of that. So save your settings. And now I'm also going to add an email address box. So choose Advanced Fields and choose email address. And you'll notice that it's already pre-customized for you. And I'm just going to make that required. Save my settings. Save that. And I'm also going to add a comments area. So I'm going to choose a text area from the standard fields section, and I'll just change that title to comments, just so my visitors can tell me how much they love my cupcakes, and save that. So this is a basic form that I've just created. I'm just going to go ahead and add some more fields now. First, I'm going to add a telephone number field, and just choose that and miscellaneous. And it's also pre-customized, and I'm just going to show you how to create a hint. So, for example, you might want to put in a hint for your telephone number just so your visitors know what format you'd like them to use, and save that. And that would pop up whenever they hovered over that. And I'm also going to add a little checkbox just for a fun little add-on, like a survey within the form. Click that to customize it. Favorite flavors. And I might want to add chocolate, which is delicious. Vanilla, sprinkles. Now you might want to add another option, and if you want to do that, it's super simple. Just click Add, and now you have a new box. You can put a whole bunch of options in there. And you might also want to choose one or more of these to be checked by default. And I'm going to check the chocolate one just to save them some time since chocolate's so yummy. And I'm going to click Save Settings. And what makes a checkbox different from the radio button and the combo box is that your visitors can choose one or more of the options, while with the combo box and the radio button, they can only choose one of the options. So that's pretty much it for my form. Now you might also want to reorder it, and I'll just show you how that's done. Just choose reorder fields, and you can click on, if you wanted to make the comments at the bottom, just click on it and move it to the bottom. I'm going to choose that. And when you're happy with your form, just click Save. And now you're done. So also something to keep in mind is that all of the data that's transmitted is encrypted and secure. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to like us on Facebook to get some more updates. And if you have any more questions or comments, feel free to contact us at website.com.